Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to forward Zoho Mail to Gmail. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Mail account at the Zoho Mail website. After signing in, click the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings panel. Select View All Settings to open the full menu. On the left sidebar, choose Mail, then select Email Forwarding and POPI or IMAP. Here you will see the section to add a forwarding address. Type your Gmail address into the field and click Add. Now open your Gmail account in another tab. Zoho Mail will send you a verification email. Copy the verification code from Gmail and return to Zoho Mail. Paste the code into the verification box to confirm that you own the Gmail account. Once verified, go back to the email forwarding section. Check the option Enable Email Forwarding. If you want to keep a copy of your emails in Zoho Mail, also check Retain a Copy in Zoho Mail. So that is basically how you can forward Zoho Mail to Gmail. That is it for this video. Thanks.